Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my selections from Nuuly for this month. I have my little box right here. But for those of you who aren't familiar with Nuuly, it's a clothing rental subscription. You can do it month to month or you can pause it at any time. You can really just basically do it by demand. But you get to rent at least 6 pieces of clothing from designer and high-end brands like Urban Outfitters, Free People, Anthropologie. It's kind of like that clothing aesthetic, but there's hundreds more. It's $88 a month, but I do have a referral link down in my description box that you can use to get $20 off your first month if you have been interested in trying it out. I've also purchased a few things from Nuuly as well because there's just been a few things that I just could not part with. I honestly never thought that I would be into renting clothes. I was quite skeptical of it at first. I actually have found that it has kept me on a budget, especially since I have very expensive taste in clothing at times. Ever since I've been doing it, I've just found that it's a great fit for my lifestyle and I highly recommend it. I mean, at least try it out. It is amazing. But I'm also going to be leaving my playlist linked above for all of my past Nuuly rentals, just so you can see what I've rented in case you are interested in renting any of those items. But highly recommend it. I've been doing it for a while and I am pretty much obsessed with it. So before I get into sharing with you my Nuuly selections, I am partnering with Louisa Jewelry for this section of the video to share with you a few gift ideas since Mother's Day is right around the corner. I will have a link to their website down in my description box where you can get 15% off of all their products. So be sure to click on that to check out all the styles that they offer. But I did want to mention really quick that the last day that they can guarantee standard shipping before May 9th is going to be May 5th for all US orders. But I have been growing my Louisa jewelry collection for a while now. It's pretty much the only jewelry that I wear. I'm wearing my favorite piece from them right now. I've had this piece from them for, I want to say like a few months now. It is my go-to. I wear it every day. It's like when I find one brand that I really like, I have a hard time investigating other brands because I have sensitive ears, so I'm very picky with my jewelry. I think this jewelry is a perfect Mother's Day gift or treat for yourself because as someone who has been wearing this jewelry for a while, I can tell you it is quality on a budget. All the jewelry is made of noble metals, and you can always know what each piece is made of by clicking on the description of each piece on their website. But they have prices beginning at $39, and then they can go up into the higher end pieces. But whether you want high end or more affordable, you will be giving your mom or treating yourself with sustainable jewelry on a budget. This jewelry is also a great gift because it's very practical. Since the majority of the Louisa jewelry is very simple and delicate, it's very easy to wear them with anything. And I think one of the reasons why I'm drawn to the simplicity of this jewelry is because it reminds me of my mom's style in jewelry. She would always wear the most beautiful, simple pearl necklaces and even just like those gold chains. She just always looks so elegant. I've always told my mom that she reminds me of Donna Reed from It's a Wonderful Life. But she did have this jewelry box that I wasn't supposed to get into, and I wouldn't take the jewelry, but I would always try it on because I thought I was just so grown up when I tried on her jewelry and stuff. And I'm pretty sure that she knew that I would get into her jewelry box because she had a specific way that she would like display everything. My mom put up with a lot. But I know a simple gold chain is something my mom would love. She just has that classic taste. But I do have a few pieces that I wanted to share with you just to give you a little bit of inspiration. All of the jewelry comes in this little velvet pouch. It just kind of adds to the experience. But this first piece is in the style Sparkle. I love that name. It has little stars engraved on it, and then that chain is very, very simple and small. It just reminds me of something that would be worn with a very fancy outfit. This style in particular I think looks beautiful with your hair styled up. Just kind of like more of a special occasion earring. The chain just adds some elegance to it and makes it look a little bit more dressy. But you could also wear this with more of an everyday outfit as well because the style is so delicate and small that really you could get away with wearing anything with this one. This pair in particular I think pairs really well with other earrings if you want to go for more of a stacked look as well. Just kind of layer it with other gold studs or something or diamond studs. This next pair is in the style Cassie. If your mom likes something very, very delicate and just barely there, this is the way to go because these ones are extremely simple. They kind of have that hook style, so it doesn't have a clasp at the end of the earring. You just kind of loop it around your ear. And this one would look really great layered with multiple pieces as well, just because it's such a simple style. And then this last piece is a gold chain in the style Alyssa. It has that clasp where you just kind of slip the metal in and it'll kind of hold itself in place. And this one I styled against black because I felt like it just brought out the gold in this chain. And because of how this fastens shut, I just like that in the front. I feel like it just looks different and unique and just kind of has its own little fashion twist to it, but it's still done in a very simple way. And I know my mom has the gold chain necklaces, so this would be a perfect piece to layer with the view of the gold chain necklaces. So that's another thing that you can do, is layer it up with other pieces. But I will have a link to this jewelry in my description box for the 15% off of all their products if you are interested in purchasing. So now I'm going to get right into my Nuuly unboxing. So this first piece I actually already wore because I literally could not wait to wear it. I loved the color of it so much, and it's just such a beautiful dress. But this isn't a mini dress style. I got this one in a size large, and it kind of has like that crochet style throughout it. I did find this to be a very nice fit. It has the elastic around the armpit area, so it just is very comfortable as you walk around. And even the length of this one I felt very comfortable in because it does have a little more fitted layer underneath. I do recommend wearing something underneath it because, I mean, it is kind of, it does catch the wind very easily and fly up. But it is from Free People, and I'll make sure that I link everything down in my description box if you are wanting to rent these exact pieces. But this one is my favorite already. I can tell you, I'm very tempted to keep this one because it is marked down at a pretty good price, so we will see. I'm gonna try and let you know if I decide to keep anything. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like on, and then I'm gonna keep moving on to the rest of my pieces. I wanted to have kind of like another shirt jacket type of thing, but I wanted it in a pastel color, and I found this one. It's once again from Free People. It's one of those things that I can just kind of throw on top of my dresses or something like that because we have such fast changing weather here right now. Like, it just alternates between extremely cold and then extremely humid. This time of year in Cape May, like, the weather fluctuates so fast. It's in this really pretty lavender pastel purple, and it is just so pretty. It's very soft. It's not like, it definitely does have some weight to it, but it's not thick. It does have a button-up style, pockets on the front, and then you do have like kind of like that almost sweatshirt feel to it. It also has little elbow patches on it too, which I did not notice, but I completely love it. I also got this one brand new, so that makes me want to keep it. And then this is a, my goodness, I really went to town on Free People this round. They have a bunch of new spring items and they just really caught my eye. I did get this dress in an extra large, and I am so glad that I did because this one definitely runs small. Although it does have elastic on the side. This is kind of like in that Eyelet style. It's very light. It feels like that silk cotton blend that I love. It does have a layer underneath it, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like on. Getting a little bit adventurous here, I saw these plaid pants. I could not, oh, these are really soft. They kind of have like that spandex feel. It does have just a little bit of stretch to it, not much, but I think it will adjust to my figure. I was afraid that they would be really stiff, but that is not the case. All the reviews on this one were saying that they ran small, so I went for a size 12, and I think that they're going to be fine. The waist does look like it runs a bit small, but it is in that wide leg style. I'll have to update you all if I do end up keeping anything from this month. I did not keep anything from my last Nuuly, but this one, I love these pants. This next piece is a skirt from Love Shack Fancy, and I was really hoping that this one would be a decent price for me to buy because it is that high-low style that I love, but it ended up being like too much. Let's just say that, too much. It does have pockets. It's in that zipper style on the side, and then I did get this in a size 10. Just kind of a fun piece, and with the ruffles, it's definitely my feminine style. Romantic, extravagant, dramatic. This one does look like it's damaged. Almost looked like somebody put a curling iron on it or something. I'm gonna have to let them know about that. I'm gonna go try this one on, and then I will share with you the last piece that I rented from Nuuly. This last piece is a top from Love Shack Fancy, and this one is in that button-up style. It's got the floral pattern on it. It's just that really pretty Cinderella blue, as Alicia says. I really like this ruffled style in the back, and then just a very simple neckline. This one I can tell is definitely been worn. Definitely going to be a perfect fit for a size large, because I do want it to be a little bit more of a loose fit. Not looking for anything too fitted right now in this humidity. Everything from my Nuuly. I have my return shipping label right here. I won't be returning these items until the end of the month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check my description box for the link to the Louisa jewelry, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!